my channel, and welcome to all that are new to my channel. Happy Friday to everybody, TGIF, or whatever day you're watching on. Happy day to you. You guys, I'm really excited for this video. Last video, if you saw, we did Y2K dolls, Bratz, Barbie, and my scene, and I just had to do another video where we do Bratz again, because going through Pinterest and seeing all of the Bratz doll edits, I was so inspired, and I just think they're absolutely super cute. So I decided to choose this picture right here because I just thought it was really cute. I love the colors, the vibes, and I was inspired by it. So I was like, we're gonna turn our girl Yasmin into a baddie. So I was just like, how do we turn brats that are already baddies into baddies, right? So I was like, you know what, we're gonna do a full body image of this. So I found this reference picture of a lady sitting down, and I was like, ooh, I can kind of get inspiration from this pose right here, and it's not exactly the same. So basically I took the pose from the reference picture and the pose of the legs and combined it. So that's how I came up with a pose, and I was like, yes honey. And on this page, you know, I was just doing my little warm-ups and just seeing what would work, and I think that's super important. Like, before you draw, and if you have an idea, just get a page and just start sketching out your idea, fleshing it out, and on a smaller scale so you can see how it'll look on your whole paper before, you know, making it bigger. So, and then right here I'm just practicing drawing the leg, because the leg was kind of in an angle that I'm not used to drawing, so I just drew it over and over until I got it right. So if you're not familiar with a part of the drawing that you're doing, just draw it over and over until you feel comfortable with it, and, you know, really just study it. I think that's a great word to use for it. So that's what I was doing right here. And yeah, it was a really great practice as well. So I took a picture of the reference and everything, the rough sketch that I did, and I opened it up into this app called VizRef. And basically this just makes it a easy way for you to put in images from online or your gallery, so that you can just have all the references right beside you. So it's just really awesome. And yeah, so I'm just working on getting that sketch ready. I've got my rough sketch for reference, I've got the Bratz doll reference, and the pose and everything, so that I can have everything there, and I'm just getting it all worked up. So yeah, you guys, go ahead and enjoy some chill music and watch me get this sketch together. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just thought of this crazy little story that came to mind while thinking about Bratz. I remember when I was around 6 or 7 years old, and I was going out of town with my mom, and I don't know what I was thinking, but I decided that I wanted to bring my whole Bratz dollhouse on the airplane with us. I literally packed a whole dollhouse in my backpack, you guys, and I'm gonna show you guys the picture. I was literally so serious about this. I was like, oh my gosh, it would be so cool if I could bring a whole little Bratz dollhouse on the airplane. I imagined myself playing it with the little pull-out table on the back of the seat, and looking out the window and seeing the clouds, or playing with my dolls in the little dollhouse. Oh my gosh, I mean, like, I was like, legit, I had the whole vision in my head. I had to bring it to life, you guys. I mean, the whole dollhouse, you guys, like with the little elevator, the dolls in it. Like, I was ready. My mom was looking at me like, girl, you really brought this whole dollhouse on the airplane? I'm like, yeah, Mom, I sure did. And I'm just like, looking back at that moment, I realized like I was really just enjoying my life. I was just living my life, honey, with my Bratz dolls, just really just having the time of my life in this plane with my little dollhouse taking up all the space. On that table. Literally, that was like the only thing I had in my backpack too. I just had to tell you guys that little cute story because it was just, I never forget that little story. It was so funny to me. So yeah, I just wanted to come in and add that little 2 cents and let you know about my little Bratz doll house history right there. So yeah, you guys. I cannot with myself. Alrighty, you guys, so now it's time to color in Procreate, you guys. I love Procreate. It's my favorite app, and I'm using it on my iPad Pro 12.9 inch, you guys. And so far, I am just loving my new iPad. I really love it. I don't know if you guys knew that I got a new iPad, but I really love the screen and everything, and just the new Apple, what is this, 2020 pencil generation or whatever. I really like it. It's super lit. I really love the precision, the fact that you can just charge up the pencil so easily just by putting it to the side of the iPad is so convenient. Like, no more having to plug it into the iPad and, you know, potentially, breaking the charging part. So yeah, it's really efficient. I love it. I really love it. So yeah, if you're thinking about getting an iPad Pro 2020 edition, I would definitely recommend it. But yeah, for you guys who have been wondering what kind of brush that I use to sketch with and do my line art with, I'm using the Sketchy Line Art brush by Elise Janai. I think that's how you say her name. I'll put it up on the screen so you guys can know, because I know you guys have been wondering, so I hope that answered your question. But yeah, you guys, for all of you all wanting to learn how I color on Procreate, and for monthly tutorials that go in depth, real time, make sure to check out my Patreon at patreon.com/rawsushi, okay? And we do more than just monthly tutorials over there, okay? We do Procreate files, we do behind the scenes. You guys get to see merch before I release it. You get to see all the things that I'm doing that nobody else gets to see, you guys, even artwork that I've never posted anywhere before. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out my Patreon, you guys, patreon.com/rawsushi, and check out the tiers and the options. And yeah, it's just another awesome, cool way to support me if you would like to. But either way, thank you guys so much for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. That's an awesome way to support me as well. So just thank you guys so much. And I really hope that you all enjoy my speed paint process and watching me baddify Yasmin, our Bratz doll, okay? Yes, you guys. So go ahead and continue to watch and listen to some chill music to this process, and I will see you guys in the outro. Oh, okay, you guys, so I want to just come in here and add a little bit about my process. So as you can see, I decided to only use one heart on her cheek because I just felt like I love the less is more look. And that's normally what I do anyways, add one little heart. And you see, I even gave her butterfly shoes, butterfly heels. And oh my gosh, I just think they're so cute. I really love how they came out. And, you know, I gave her a little fishnet top with a little bikini top. And I just really felt like that really put the icing on top of the Baddie vibes. And yeah, you guys, this is the final picture. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love how Yasmin came out. You guys, we Baddified her to the max. You guys, we took her from 100 to 1,000, y'all. Yes, okay, look at them heels. Okay, honey, yes, you better work them butterfly heels. You better work. I really wish those were some real heels. Like, those would be so bomb. Her outfit is bomb. Makeup, the halo, the clouds, the sparkles. Okay, honey, we've got full on kawaii Baddie. Okay? Yes, honey. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think about this Baddie transformation. If I really bodied her, like, let me know if we did that. Okay, honey? Because I think we did. Yeah, okay. So yeah, you guys, let me know down in the comments below what you think. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Raw Sushi. Check out my Patreon. And yeah, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. Peace, love, and God bless, my loves. Bye.